Hey everyone, welcome back to Ricksaw, where we turn ideas into sawdust and solutions. Today we're talking about paste wax. That's right, this magic potion for woodworkers and DIYers is essential to every workshop. And it's not just for woodworkers, it's for mechanics too. Let's take a look at all the uses of paste wax in today's episode. First, what is paste wax? Well, it's a mixture of either carnauba or beeswax and solvents to create a paste-like substance. It can be used for anything around the workshop. Projects, polishes, furniture, trim, and paneling, right on the label there. This particular example is natural finish. Paste wax is a fantastic protectant. Use it on your workbench to create a smooth, dust-free surface. Paste wax is perfect for protecting and polishing wood surfaces. It creates a thin, durable barrier against moisture and dust while keeping wood soft and sheen. Use it on furniture, cutting boards, or even a workbench top. It's easy to apply using a simple cloth. Add some paste wax to the cloth and rub it on the surface that you want to protect. Creates a smooth, thin film to protect your work surface. Paste wax isn't just for wood. It's great on metal surfaces too. Use it to protect your tools or your table saw by creating a thin film that allows wood to slide over the workshop surface. You can use it on table saws, band saws, planers. A thin coat reduces friction, prevents rust, and makes feeding material through your tools a breeze. It's like butter, and the best part, it doesn't leave a sticky residue like some other lubricants. Do you have squeaky drawers or sticky hinges? Paste wax to the rescue. Apply a small amount on the drawer runners to the hinge pivots, and your squeak is gone. You'll be amazed at the difference. For smaller woodworking projects like boxes or toys, paste wax provides the right amount of protection without needing a full finish. It's food safe once cured, so it's great for kids' toys or kitchen utensils. Minor scratches and scuffs don't stand a chance against paste wax. Buff it into a scratch and it'll blend the damage right in. So there you have it. Paste wax, more than just a finish. It's a protectant, a lubricant, a polish, and a problem solver. If you don't have a can in your shop, go out and get some paste wax for all your DIY and woodworking and metalworking projects. Thanks for watching Ricksaw, and stay tuned for more episodes as we dive into all the best workshop essentials. Have a great one. If you found this video helpful and entertaining, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Definitely helps the channel out. Let me know in the comments how you use paste wax in your everyday. All right, everyone, keep turning those ideas into sawdust and solutions. Have a great one.